This listing is unbelievable. And here we are in the heart of Wesley Park, just around the corner from our newest listing at 71 Abingdon.
And we are just a couple minutes away from IKEA, restaurants and shops, the Queen's Carleton Hospital, and easy access to the highway.
Welcome to 71 Abingdon. A home like this doesn't come up for sale often. This home was professionally designed and fully renovated, not to the 9s, but to the 10s. You truly have to come and see it in person to appreciate the quality of the finishes.
This gorgeous living room features a gas fireplace, a board and batten accent wall, authentic wooden beams, white oak hardwood, and to top it off, a beautiful skylight. The list of upgrades goes on and on. Thank you for watching this video.
If you'd like to book a viewing, or if you're thinking of buying or selling, give us a call. We'd love to connect.